Hi, I'm Emily. I am a baby and child sleep consultant working with sleep deprived parents all over the world. And when your little one's not sleeping, it really affects everything. It affects your mental health, how much you eat, everything you've got to do the next day. And I think it's just so important that you get this sleep at night so that you can function and actually have fun with your little one the next day or hold down that full-time job you've got to do. So today I'm going to look at my two favourite words, consistency and schedule. It is the only thing that is the same with every child across the world, is that they thrive from a consistency and that same schedule. So for example, today I'm going to look at a 7-7 schedule. You can make it work for whatever works for you as a family. But I think, getting them up at 7 a.m. every single day, no matter what, so that they're on this schedule. So they're up at 7, they have breakfast, if they're weaned, at 7:30 or milk, depending, and then on to looking at a nap schedule. So whether they're on 3, 2, 1, no naps, it's putting in the right timings for those naps and making sure that they're not having too long a time between those naps. So you've got the consistency each day. They know when that nap is coming. Then you move on to obviously lunch. I think a good time on this schedule is around midday. Then they can go down for a good long after lunch nap. In a dream world, we'd like them to have a long one. Doesn't always happen. Sometimes they're just a cat napper and they do 30 minutes. So they have a nap after lunch. And then it's looking at the bedtime routine. So they have dinner around 4:30, 5 o'clock. Then you have bath, story, milk, and bed. And I would make sure they're in bed for 7 p.m. You can always bring bedtime forward up to an hour, because if they're overtired, that has a detrimental effect on the night time. So it's just placing in the right times for you, for naps, for feeding times, for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and most importantly, that bedtime routine that's in place, so you've all got the consistency of that same schedule. I hope that helps and look forward to speaking to you all soon.